Wilmer Poinier had a stroke about a year and a half ago. He has some motor function loss on his right side, but the stroke also took something else from him. It took away his ability to communicate.
That's what I want.
It's called aphasia, and it's common after stroke or other brain injury, and it's brutal.
How devastating is it? I would say significantly devastating in that a person has lost their ability to communicate.
Wilmer and Fred Crook are the first two subjects of a UAB trial for CI therapy for aphasia. Margaret Johnson is on loan from the University of Montevallo. She came to UAB because CI therapy is the brainchild of UAB neuroscientist Edward Taub. First used as a therapy for motor deficit after stroke, CI therapy is now proving beneficial for a host of conditions, ranging from traumatic brain injury to cerebral palsy and multiple sclerosis. In CI therapy for motor deficit, the unaffected or good hand is restrained by a mitt, forcing a patient to use the affected hand. For aphasia, the restraint is more subtle.
Our constraints actually don't include tying down the tongue or anything like that. We place barriers up in front of our patients because a lot of aphasic patients, they want to use their facial expressions, they want to use their gestures and that kind of thing.
CI therapy is based on repetition and the idea that the brain can rewire itself after injury.
The brain is very pliable, it's very malleable, in that when we use the brain and use the pieces of the brain that have been damaged due to stroke or other injury, that those pieces and parts are able to pick up some ability to work again.
Wilmer did 3 solid weeks of therapy and now visits once a week for follow-up. The change is amazing.
Wilmer started off with maybe a few words, mostly pointing, and now he says words and says sentences and says, "You're driving me crazy." It's a wonderful thing. His communication has increased so much, along with his self-esteem, because he can communicate that. From talking a lot to being completely unable to express your thoughts and needs and feelings, to be able to do it has made a huge difference.
Wilmer would be the first to agree.
When I what?
Is
Driving
me crazy.